राउंड समय क्या जी राउंड जी ना फर्स्ट राउंड वो मैथमेटिक्स 12 क्वेश्चंस राउंड सेकंड साइंस 18 क्वेश्चंस तेज राउंड सुंपाव बजर राउंड हे राउंड सुंपाव कहते ना बजर राउंड सवाल आता सस्पेरा हागो में था ठीक है ओके हिंदी में बोलने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है ओके सारे लद्दाखी समझ सकते हैं ओके ठीक है तो जो आजुक फोर्थ राउंड वो खेलते ना आता है आजुक वो रैपिड फायर सेक्शन बनो है ठीक मेरा रैपिड फायर सेक्शन वो फोर्थ राउंड है फर्स्ट राउंड मैथमेटिक्स 12 क्वेश्चंस सेकंड राउंड साइंस 18 क्वेश्चंस थर्ड इज रैपिड फायर नहीं थर्ड इज बजर राउंड उसमें साइंस भी होगा मैथ्स भी होगा और जो फोर्थ राउंड है रैपिड उसमें भी साइंस होगा मैथ्स होगा ठीक है ओके सो आपको ऑल टुगेदर आपको एक क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको 30 सेकेंड्स मिलेंगे कितने मिलेंगे 30 सेकेंड्स कितने मिनट सेकेंड्स मिलेंगे 30 सेकेंड्स फॉर ईच क्वेश्चन एंड ईच क्वेश्चन कैरी 10 मार्क्स सम 10 मार्क्स कितने 10 मार्क्स होंगे ठीक है ठीक मेरा ओके गुड अच्छा कोई भी क्वेश्चन पास ऑन नहीं होगा नो बॉयज कोई भी क्वेश्चन पास ऑन नहीं होगा है ठीक मेरा ऑल डन या ले वेट ओके सवाल जुले तेने फर्स्ट राउंड बुंगा स्टार्ट चुस्तान हेले फर्स्ट राउंड वो खेते ना मैथमेटिक्स राउंड इनोगले गाना खेते ना आता 2 क्वेश्चंस ईच स्कूल अथपचनो है 2 क्वेश्चंस हर एक स्कूल को मिलेगा पहले हम 6 क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे उसके बाद फिर 6 क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे ठीक मेरा ओके सो स्टार्ट यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर दो ओके सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन गोज टू हाई सेकेंडरी स्कूल गर्ल्स The sum of rational and irrational number is always, your options are rational, irrational, 0, 1. The sum of rational and irrational number is always rational, irrational, 0, 1. Yes, your answer is right, irrational number. Okay, so my second question goes to high school Bato. Your question is, which of these is a quadratic polynomial? Your options are x square plus 2x plus 1, b 2x cubed plus 4x, c 3x plus 5, d x plus 1. Which of these is a quadratic polynomial? The options are A, x square plus 2x plus 1, 2x cubed plus 4x, 3x plus 5, x plus 1. Quadratic polynomial. Option A. Yes, it's completely right. Okay, my third question goes to high school Fiam. The degree of polynomial 5x cubed plus 3x square plus 2 is, options are A1, B2, 3, 6, C3, D4. The degree of polynomial 5x cubed plus 3x square plus 2 is 1, B2, C3, D4. C3. Yes, it's completely right. C3. So my fourth question goes to high school Skalzangli. ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is a, options A, linear equation, B. Quadratic equation. C. Cubic equation. D. Biquadratic equation. Options again. Linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation, biquadratic equation. B. Quadratic equation. Yeah, it's right. Okay. Now my fifth question goes to high secondary school boys. Point where x-axis and y-axis intersect is called dash. Your options are abscissa, ordinate, origin, coordinate. The point where x-axis and y-axis intersect is called dash. Your options are abscissa, ordinate, origin, coordinate. Point where x-axis and y-axis intersect is called. The options are abscissa, ordinate, origin, coordinate. Pardon? No, it's wrong. It's origin. Sorry. So my last question goes to high school Karnakling. What is the coefficient of x cube in a polynomial 6x4 plus 3x square plus 8x plus 5? Options are 6, B 3, C 8, D 0. What is the coefficient of x cube in a polynomial 6x raised to power 4 plus 3x square plus 8x plus 5? Options are A 6, B 3, 6 8 and D 0. Pardon? No, it's completely wrong. Sorry, the option is 0. The answer is 0. Sorry. Okay. Now, my second part of the dual question. Okay, I will start from here now. Okay. Okay, my first question goes to high school Skalzanli. A tangent to a circle touches it at. Options are A 2 points, B 1 point, C 3 points, D many points. Pardon? Sorry, it's wrong. 1 point. Okay. My second question, high secondary school boys. When the sum of two angle is 90 degree, when the sum of two angle is 90 degree, it is called. Options are complementary, B supplementary, C vertex angle, or D none of this. When sum of two angle is 90 degree, it is called complementary, supplementary, vertex angle, or none of these. When sum of two angles is 90 degree, it is called.
Option D.
Option D, none of these. No, it's wrong. Sorry, it is complementary. Okay, thank you. Now my third question goes to HS Karnakling. There are dash rational numbers between. There are dash rational numbers between 2 and 3. Options are 0, 2, infinite, or D, the data is insufficient. You said 2. Sorry, it's wrong. The answer is infinite. Okay, now we'll ask HS Fiang. Okay, your question is The coordinates of the origin are, A option, सुनिए, 1 1, B 0 0, C 1 0, D 0 1. The coordinates of the origin are 1 1, 0 0, 1 0, 0 1. The coordinates of the origin are
1 1.
Sorry, it's wrong. It's 0 0. Okay, my viewers. This side, second question. A polynomial of degree 3 is called. Your options are linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic.
Cubic.
Yes, you're right. It's cubic. Okay, so my last question goes to high secondary school girls. Which of the following is natural number? Options are 3.5, B 7, C 0, D -2. Which of the following is a natural number? Options are 3.5, A, B 7, C 0, D -2.
B7.
B7 is the correct answer. Okay, thank you so much. So the first round of mathematics is finished. Now second round, I may welcome Madam Nessa Khatun to continue.
Okay guys, I am here with the biological section. So my first question is for high school Karnagling. The process of evaporation leads to. The process of evaporation leads to A. Formation of clouds, second condensation, third precipitation, and the last one is snowfall. The process of evaporation leads to formation of clouds, condensation, precipitation, and snowfall. Wrong. The answer is a formation of clouds. Okay, second question is for boys high secondary school. The process by which green plants make food is respiration, transpiration, photosynthesis, or digestion.
Photosynthesis.
Right answer, that is photosynthesis. Boys high secondary school. Next question is for high secondary school girls only. Which gland is called the master gland? Thyroid, pituitary, adrenal, or pancreas? I'll repeat the question. Which gland is called the master gland? Thyroid gland, pituitary gland, adrenal gland, or pancreas? Pituitary. Right answer. The answer is pituitary gland. Next question is for high school. Which planet is known as the red planet? Earth, Venus, Mars, or Jupiter? Mars. Right answer. There are very small kids sitting there has given the answer. Please avoid that. Even the little kids know the answer. Okay. Next question is for high school Marfo. Which structure help plants to absorb water and minerals? Which structure helps plant to absorb water and minerals? Stem, leaf, root, or flowers? Right answer, that is root. Very simple question like. Okay, the first round, last question goes to girls high secondary school A. Which diseases is causes by deficiency of vitamin D? First, scurvy. Second, rickets. Third, night blindness. And fourth, beriberi. Cause deficiency of vitamin D: scurvy, rickets, night blindness, and beriberi.
Night blindness.
No, wrong answer. This is rickets. Bone disease. Okay, my first round is complete. From where should I ask the second question? From here. Okay. Question is for high school Pyang. The boiling point of water is 0 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, yeah, 212 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius.
Right answer, that is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, for high school skulls and link, an example of physical changes is burning of pepper, melting of ice, rusting of iron, yeah, digestion of food.
Melting of ice.
Very good, it's the melting of ice. Okay, question for boys high secondary school. Which device convert electrical energy into mechanical energy? Electric bulb, electric motor, generator, या speaker? Which device convert electrical energy into mechanical energy? The options are electric bulb, electric motor, generator, या speaker? Options. Electric bulb. Question. Which device convert electrical energy into mechanical energy? Electric bulb, electric motor, generator, a speaker?
Electric bulb.
What? A bulb, a motor? No, wrong answer is electric motor. Okay. Next question is for high school Karnagling. The mirror used in rear view of vehicles are concave, convex, plane, or spherical. The mirror used in rear view of vehicles are concave, convex, plane, or spherical. Convex is the right answer. Okay. 10 marks to the Karnagling. Okay, this is for high school Marshall. What is the SI unit of force? Pascal, Newton, Joule, watt?
Newton.
Right answer is a Newton. It is the right answer. Okay, last question for high secondary school girls. Which law states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed? Law of conservation of energy, Newton's first law, Ohm's law, or Boyle law? Law of conservation of energy, right answer. Okay, this is how I completed my second round. Okay, so from where I should complete this? Okay. This question is for boys high secondary school. What is the main core of aluminium? You have to mention the core of aluminium. First option is hematite, second is bauxite, third is galena, fourth is magnetite. Ore of aluminium.
Bauxite.
Right answer, that is a bauxite. Okay. Okay, high school skulls only. Which of the following is a known metal? The options are iron, silver, copper, and sulfur. Right answer. Okay, the answer is sulfur. Okay. What is the universal solvent? Which is the universal solvent? The options are alcohol, water, benzene, or acetone. Universal solvent: alcohol, water, benzene, or acetone. Options: alcohol, water, benzene, and acetone.
Acetone.
No, the answer is water. Water is a universal solvent. Okay, next to high secondary school Marshall, the process of conversion of solid directly into gases. The process of conversion of solid directly into gas is, the options are evaporation, condensation, sublimation, or melting. The answer is what? Sublimation is the right answer. Okay. Okay, next question for girls high secondary school. Which of the following is not a metal? Sodium, phosphorus, iron, and copper. Which of the following is not a metal? First is sodium, phosphorus, iron, and copper. No, the answer is phosphorus. Wrong answer. Okay, last question of the second round. To the high school Karnagling, the device used to measure atmospheric pressure is. The device used to measure atmospheric pressure is. The options are barometer, thermometer, anemometer, या hygrometer. Right answer, that is barometer. This is how we have completed our second round. Okay. So audience are requested to give them a big round of applause, please. Yeah, that.
So after the 2 rounds, the scores are HS Karnagling 20, HS Boys 20, HS Skarzangling 40, HS Fiang 30, HS Marshall 50, HHS Girls 30. So these are the scores after the 2 rounds. Hello. Audience ulla request inle ikana six azade sui gyospa dando yang chachi azuk chana clash chana ngaya thuma tunale buzzer round in okele buzzer round in maths ne question sumi on okle and science ne question sumi kya khele ठीक मेरा 3 क्वेश्चन मैथ्स से होंगे 3 क्वेश्चन साइंस से होंगे आपको करना क्या है जो भी पहले दबाएगा उसी को हमने पूछना है ठीक मेरा ले अच्छा इजुक मोला गया के निजनी से नो पार्टिसिपेट निजनी से नो हर स्कूल ने हालाले निजे चीज अच्छे नो चिची के बजर ना चिची लपा लांग से नो गए जो स्कूल सबसे पहले दबाएगा ठीक मेरा ले ठीक मेरा सो आर यू रेडी ओके बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर द सेकंड थर्ड राउंड क्लैप ठीक साथ ले 2 रुपया थैंक यू सो मच ओके सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज याना ज़ादेल demo justin Goma question demo justin nyon he question demo justin nyon ekdam nana mazal ting ne chi son chi ma son zagano gyus micha okay nyon he in a Heron's formula अच्छा yang dasa azugune judges une mola rakhele क्योंकि ना खेलते नंग जो खची के क्वेश्चन माया ना खटा लापा लांस तंग ना या ड्यूस माचा चुतों चोस तंग ना घुमाने तेम फिया इना मैनस बोरा जरा लोहेले सो 5 मार्क्स मैनस होंगे ले इसमें गलत तंग ना हेले गलत आजू का आंसर गलत तंग ना ले कैसा या चले सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन गेट सेट हेले एवरीवन in a Heron's formula under root of s multiplied bracket s minus a into s minus b into s minus c dash under root what is the value of s. It is the options are a plus b plus c upon 4, b a plus b plus c, c a plus b plus c upon 2, d 2a plus 2b plus 2c. So they were very quick. Okay, what is the answer? It is Skaz only? No, yeah, the answer is right. A plus B plus C upon 2. Okay, yale.
Okay, second buzzer round. Second buzzer round from the science section. Listen carefully and be active. Okay, what is the chemical formula of water? Nay, any clue who has given the... Okay, participants are requested to please don't explain the answer. You just raise your hand, either raise your hand or buzzer the button. Okay, we have changed the question, sir. So this is for all. First question: which of the following is used as fuel in nuclear reactor? The options are uranium, gold, iron, and silver. Voice. Oh, right answer. It's a uranium. Very good. Okay. Be active, guys, girls. Or be active, sir. Be active. Okay. Oh, so sorry.
Getting confused. So sorry. Ole, yeah. Buzzer round is second question. Hele, Sanazad. If a triangle is similar to another triangle, then their corresponding angles are option different, equal, complementary, supplementary. Yes? Pardon? No, that's equal. Yes, it's the right answer.
Okay, the third question is listen carefully, guys. What is the pH value of neutral substances? Mushroom. Right answer is 7. Without giving the options, they are like giving the answer. Very good, Mushroom. Very good.
Okay. So listen up. Mathematics, third question, the last question. If the discriminant of a quadratic equation is 0, then the roots are... Pardon? Sorry, it's wrong. No pass on? Sorry.
Last question for the buzzer round. From the science section. What causes tide in the ocean? What causes tide in the ocean? Option A, wind. Option B? Okay, the answer is? The options are? Okay, answer. Huh? No, wrong answer. Hey, option B. We said the option, no? It is. नहीं इन्होंने हाथ तो उठाया बट ऑप्शन क्या पता बाकियों को आता हो सो ठीक है ओके डन
Buzzer rounds are Alamita. Sorry. So all the buzzer rounds had finished. Now we will go for the rapid. Then go to then. Total khete nang 10 questions jono 5 questions mathematics ne and 5 questions science ne nija 2 minutes mane ta bano khele मास्टर्स ना पास दर्जन हो गई एकदम पास दर्जन जो क्वेश्चन आपको नहीं आता है पास क्योंकि आपको एज मच एज क्वेश्चन लेने हैं अगर आपका टाइम चला गया तो आप कुछ भी नहीं कर पाओगे सो यू हैव ओनली 2 minutes ओके आपको नहीं आता है आपने कहना है पास नीचे पास मोचन हो गई क्यों में इतना ना क्यों पर शिक्षण होगा इवन मंपो हम रिपीट नहीं करेंगे ठीक मेरा ले ओके सो विल in a negative marking made lohele no negative markings in this ठीक है you ready okay best of luck for the 4th round that is rapid fire so we'll start from lottery Housing colony first acha Scarfang League first HHS boys third and Karnang League fifth so Darit Zerkam Basong Scarfang League will start from Jasmine yale Tering I lottery Jasmine yale lottery na cow being na tenna account link me as a question ties achin yale rapid fire no 10 questions teacher only 2 minutes mane tupche mano haila konla and in a corner shasamedna pass on the inscription check me okay so we'll start with you the probability of getting a head when tossing a coin is A0 B 2.5 C 0.5 B 1 okay second the line intersecting a circle at exactly one point is called A arc B secant C chord D tangent yes right third what is cos 0 A 1 B 0 C 0.5 D under 3.2 yes right how many whole numbers are there between -3 and 3 A 4 B 0 C yes 3 right and the last one sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to A 1 B -1 C yes it is right
what when is the work done by the force considered to be negative when the force acts are different opposite to the displacement. When the force acts the same direction as displacement. When there is no displacement, when the force is not applied. Option A, right answer. And which of the following is a physical change? Burning of pepper, rusting of iron, melting of ice, or cooking of food? Right answer. Okay, which of these substances is the highest density? Water, air, honey, or iron? Right answer. Diffusion is faster in which state of matter? Solid, liquid, gases, or plasma? Right answer. Okay.
Second student dependent. Okay, HS Mato. Your time starts now. What is the inverse of cosecant? It's cosine, secant, tangent, sine. Okay, B, total surface area of a cuboid having dimensions LBH is A, LBH, B, twice LB plus BH plus LH, C, LB plus BH plus LH, or D, 6L square. D, 6L square, yes, it's right. Okay, third question. In a right angle triangle, the longest side is called perpendicular, base, hypotenuse, none of this. Yes, it is right. If a pair of linear equation has intersecting lines, then it is called A, consistent, inconsistent, parallel, or cannot be said. D, none of this. Yes, it is right. The last question. What is the additive identity in the set of real numbers? A, 1, B, 0, C, -1, D, none. What is the additive identity in the set of real numbers? A, 1, B, 0, C, -1, D, none. So it's wrong. Sorry.
Okay, the next question is the frequency of visible light is 10⁻³ hazard, 10⁻14 hazard, 10⁻6 hazard, 10⁻8 hazard. Wrong answer. Second question, which of the following substances normally exist? Bromine and iodine, first option. Second, mercury and chlorine. Third, iodine and mercury. Fourth is bromine and mercury. Which of the following substances normally exist? Yes. Bromine and iodine, mercury and chlorine, iodine and mercury, bromine and mercury. Last one, right answer. Bromine and mercury. Sound is a form of chemical energy, mechanical energy, nuclear energy, thermal energy. Sound is a form of which energy? Chemical, mechanical, nuclear, or thermal? Right answer, it's mechanical energy. Third is
Sama hushar chu to gele mane Rama school touches very good. Man the most to gele. Yeah, leju. Super soon. Okay, HSS boys, your time starts now. The volume of a cube of a sides equal to L is given by L into B into H, L cube, L square by L into B into H. Sorry, it's wrong. The angle of a semicircle is called 90 degree, 180, 0, 360. No, it's wrong. The Cartesian coordinate system was designed by A. René Descartes, Isaac Newton, Albert Pascal, B. Carl Gauss. A. René Descartes, right? Right answer. Which among these are complementary angles? A plus B 90 degree, A plus B 180 degree, A plus B was 60 degree, A plus B 45. 90 degree, right? Yes, sir. Okay, the value of sine 30 is A 1, B 0, C 1 by 2, B under 3 by 2. No, it's wrong, it's wrong. And the last, you said it, I guess.
What is the process called when a gas changes directly into the solid? Sublimation, deposition, condensation, evaporation. Process when the gas is directly changed into solid. Sublimation, deposition, condensation, or evaporation. Okay, a gas changes directly to a solid. The process is called sublimation, deposition, condensation, or evaporation. No. Wrong answer. What kind of mixture is soda water? Heterogeneous, homogeneous, colloid or suspension? Wrong answer is homogeneous. Okay, what is the value of acceleration due to gravity on Earth? 6.5 meter per second, 9.8, 10 meter per second, 8.9. 9.8, 6.5, 10, 8.9. Time up.
Okay. So fourth kaban fourth in. So HHS girls, your time starts now. Which of the following needs a proof? Definition, postulate, theorem, axiom. Which of the following needs a proof? Definition, postulate, theorem, axiom. No, wrong. Next question. The decimal number system in a base A5, B20, C10, D6. The coordinates of the origin are 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Right, it is right. If two triangles are similar, then their sides are equal, proportional, different, complementary. Sorry, it's wrong. The last. Trigonometric ratios are only applicable to the which kinds of triangle? Right angle triangle, acute type of triangle.
Kilogram. We need to work in international English. Right answer, Joule. Right answer. Which of the following is an example of situation where no work is done? Lifting a book from the floor to the table, pushing a wall with no movement, a car descending a hill, pulling a cart on a level road. Okay, right answer, pushing a wall with no movement. Okay, sound travels through vacuum, solid, outer space are all the above. No, it's solid answer. What happened? Wrong. What happened to the kinetic energy of particle when the temperature increase? It's decrease, remain constant, increase or first increase then decrease. What happened to the kinetic energy of particle when the temperature increase? It's decrease, it's remain constant.
Yes, who is fifth? Okay, you. So your time starts now. Slope of a line parallel to x-axis is a0, b1, c undefined, d infinite. Yeah, right answer. Second, what is the sum of probability of occurring an event E and the probability of not occurring the event E is a0, b minus 1, c 1, d not defined. 1, it's right. Okay, third question. If tan theta equal to 1, then theta is a 45, b 30, c 60 degree, d 0 degree. Pardon? Right, it is right. The total number of factors of a prime number is a1, b2, c0, d3. The total number of factors of a prime number is, no, it's 2, sorry. Who is considered the greatest mathematician in ancient history? Sorry, Pythagoras, Gleb, Fibonacci, and Archimedes. Yes, it's right, Archimedes.
Which acid is present in vinegar? Citric acid, acetic acid, lactic acid. Acetic is wrong. Which one? Right answer. Okay. What is the formula of washing soda? NaCl, Na2CO3, NaHCO3, Na2CO3. Right answer. What is the basic unit of life? Atom, cell, molecules, or tissue? Right answer, cell. Okay. Sound travel fastest in air, water, steel, or vacuum? No, it's wrong. It's steel. What happened to the potential energy of a freely falling object? It increased, it decreased, it remained constant, it first increased and then decreased. What happened to the potential energy of a freely falling object? क्या होता है potential energy? It's increase, it's decrease, it remained constant, or it? Wrong answer.
Okay, so fourth round, last school, HS Fiang. Your time starts now. Area of a semicircle is A 2 pi r square 2 pi r upon 2 pi r square upon 2. Area of a semicircle is 2 pi r square 2 pi r upon 2 pi r square upon 2. No, it's wrong. Question number 2. The total surface area of a cube having sides L is given by length into breadth into height, twice length breadth plus breadth height plus height length height, or C length breadth plus breadth height plus height length, or 6L square. Skip. Okay. Third, if a die is thrown once, probability of getting a 5 is A 1 by 5, B 1 by 6, C 1 by 4, D 1 by 3. Right, it's right answer. Okay, which ancient civilization first used a formal number system? Which ancient civilization first used a formal number system? A. Romans, B. Greeks, Sumerians, Egyptians. No, wrong. The last, the radius is always dash to the tangent. A equal perpendicular twice parallel. Which radius is always dash to the tangent? Equal perpendicular twice parallel. Right is the answer.
Which of this is an example of a unicellular organism? Amoeba, human, dog, tree. Unicellular organism. Right answer. Which vitamin is synthesized in the skin? Vitamin A, vitamin B, C or D? Okay, wrong answer. Which organ purifies blood in human? Heart, liver, kidney or lung? Purify blood in human. It's wrong, it's kidney. The atomic number of carbon is? Atomic number of carbon.
Yeah, all the 4 rounds have been finished, so we will wait for the scores.
The result. First of all, I congratulate each and every student who has participated in this quiz competition. You are the one who has qualified the first round, so cheer up. So in second round quiz competition, I am here with the result. The third position goes to High School Karnagling with 100 marks. High School Karnagling, big round of applause. Audience, आपका participate कम मिल रहा है जैसे. Okay, congratulations High School Karnagling. And second position goes to High School Marshall with 110 marks. Big round of applause, everyone. Congratulations High School Marshall. The topper and the first position is High School Karnagling. With a huge differences of 135 marks. Big round of applause, everyone. Congratulations. And I congratulations high secondary school boys, high school pal, and high secondary school girls for the participation. All the very best, guys. Okay. Thank you so much for your participation. Okay. Taking a position today to please accompany the student. I request escort teachers to please come up with the prize, the winner student. I request the so first position. Can I announce the name, sir? Okay, the third position, as we know, is High School Khandagling with a cash prize of rupees 1000 also. I request the escort teachers to please accompany them. Escort teacher इनके साथ आइए. Okay, कंजूसी नहीं, तालियों में कंजूसी नहीं. तालियां बजते रहना चाहिए. Okay, congratulations students. Congratulations sir. A certificate with a cash prize of rupees 1000. Congratulations. Congratulations, Lorong School, High Secondary School, Khandagling. Thank you so much. And second position, High School, Marsho. Escort teachers to please accompany the student. Certificate Khataks with cash prize of rupees 2000 rupees. Congratulations, Lorong Teaching School, High School Marsha. Madam, congratulations. Okay, congratulations, High School Marsho, with a cash prize of rupees 2000. Okay. Last but not the least, the first position of today's event goes to High School Skalzangling with a cash prize of rupees 3000. Okay, I request High School Skalzangling, any teacher please accompany the student. Science teacher. Abdullah, come up. Congratulations, the Polong School, बहुत अच्छा. Before we conclude, I would like to take a moment to extend a heartfelt gratitude to those who made this event possible. A special thanks to the headmaster of Skalzangling, Ka Wangyalne, and all the team members for their for make the event grand success. आपके सभी faculty members जिसने इस इवेंट को सक्सेसफुल बनाया, a grand success. Thank you each one of you. Thank you so very much.